Tracking your trades through journaling is by far the most effective use of your time to improve trading performance and track your trading results. However, most journaling softwares out there require either a large upfront fee or a small monthly fee that does add up over time, but I do have a solution for you. Coming into the journal, you're going to see down at the bottom you have quite a few tabs to go through, as well as up here within the actual dashboard. Now, this dashboard is created through Excel. It is not for Google Sheets, so if you do not have Excel, this is not for you. However, this is a fantastic and easy to use method of journaling your trades. So let's go through the database first. This is going to be the area where you fill in the blanks from whatever trade you took. So for example, you need to put in your entry date, exit date, the time that you entered, your exit time, whatever ticker or whatever symbol that you traded, NASDAQ, gold, oil, whatever it may be, you can fill that information in. Whether you went long or short, your entry price, your exit price. Now, with these entries and exits, if you are somebody who is taking multiple positions on one trade, all you have to do is take multiple entries, find the average, and put that into the entry price, and then you can find your average exit price as well and input that data as well, making sure to put in your total position size. And then whatever strategy, whatever setup that you were taking, you have a drop down box, and I'm going to show you how to edit that drop down box here in a second. The P&L is optional because whatever lot size that you have used, once you fill in all of this information and you add in your commissions and your fees, it is going to do your gross and net either profit or loss for you. Now, if your broker statement says that you made only $100 instead of $1,000, that means that you just need to come over here and drop a 0 on your position size, and you will be able to have a more accurate reading for that. All right. So because of different brokers have different pip values or different tick values and things like that, you might just need to adjust your position size. Very easy to do. And that is going to give you your gross and net profit or loss. On the far right, you can see your progression, gross or net. This is basically where you have made money or lost money, and it is going to give you those values of how much you have made or lost over here on the far right. Real simple to do. Once you have added in all of those different values, you are going to come up to the data portion right here and click data. And then that is going to show you this screen here. All you have to do is now hit refresh right here, and that is going to input all of this information, and it is now going to spread it to the other areas, your analytical viewing areas. So you have an overview. You have your profit and loss curve here. You've got your total gross, total net, your win rate, your risk to reward, your commissions and fees. All of that stuff is going to show in that area. And then, of course, you've got, again, more data for wins and losses, P&L from the last 30 days. As you're adding in more and more information, of course, this is going to look very different, but you can see that I only have 2 entries in on here, so it's going to look a little bit bare. Coming down here at the bottom, you have all the different filters. So again, as you're going through, let's say you have trades from 2023 that you would like to input. Whenever you put those in over here and you put it all in with the dates and whatnot, this will give you more options, and then you can click and filter your options based off of long, short, over the course of multiple days. If that's what you're doing, you're buying and selling and holding those trades for multiple days, you can put that there. You might have intraday, so like the examples that I've provided here where the trade took place just within one day, you can filter it for that. And then, of course, you can filter for strategy. So if I want to only view things or trades where I've only taken a first green day setup or a first red day setup, I can view those setups' performance on this screen. Coming over to detailed, you're going to see, again, similar to overview, number of trades that you have taken, your biggest wins, your biggest losses, and then your P&L, top 5 trades, P&L for different times of the day, P&L for different days of the week. So you can view what day is your most profitable, what times are your most profitable, number of trades taken within the week, your bottom 5 trades, and then number of trades taken for certain times of the day, and like I said, for the week. All of this is also able to be filtered down here at the bottom, looking at long, short, year, month, intraday or multi-day, and of course by what setup you are taking. Now, if you're like me, I really like to have screenshots in a separate area for me to go and put all of my comments about my own personal performance. The analytical data will show exactly how the trade performed, but I want to know, how did I perform as a trader, and this journal portion is great for that. Once you fill out all of your database information, it is going to automatically put your trade into this portion of the journal, and then all you have to do is come in and add some daily review comments. You got your comments over here, and then you can add in your screenshot for that trade that you took on that day. Then coming over into the calendar portion, make sure that you have it filtered to the correct year, but whatever trades that you are taking throughout the month and throughout the weeks and throughout the day, you can having put all that information into the data portion, it is automatically going to fill out this calendar for you, giving you your total fees and your total P&L for that month in this area. Now, remember I said on this database portion that you had to input your own setups to give you this drop-down window. It's very easy to do. Down here at the bottom, you're going to see all of these different tabs. Click on the drop-down list tab, and then you can very easily input your strategies. You can have as many as you'd like, all the way down. Put all your different strategies or your setups in there that you take on a daily and weekly basis, and that will make it very easy for you to come over here and filter them when you are inputting them into your database section. If I was going to add a picture into the journal, all you have to do is use TradingView, or you could use MT5 or CTrade or any of those other things, and get your image, take your little picture. You can, for TradingView, copy the link and just directly input the link into the journal. So we'll do that. We'll copy the link. Of course, with TradingView, you can also just hit copy image or download the image and then take that over to the journal. Then coming back to the journal, you can input your screenshot link here and then head over to the journaling portion, in which you can then add your screenshot. We could put the whole picture in there, make it real small. Me personally, I really like to just use those links because it does make it very easy to view it. But if you want to use this method of copy and paste a picture, you'll take the screenshot, you can put it in daily review, you can put it in screenshots, whatever you'd like, whatever works best for you. And then head over here and add all of your annotations and comments about your own personal performance, about how you managed the trade and did you manage it well, what did you do well, what did you do wrong, and what could you have done better on that trade on that day. And if there's ever any confusion whatsoever, you can very easily go down to the bottom and click instructions, and it will help you and guide you in the direction that you need to go. As far as filling out the actual journal here, this is all about deleting the information, making sure you don't accidentally delete improper tabs or the incorrect tabs. Then coming down here, if you want to input new trades, all of the information on how to do that. If I did not explain something well throughout this video, this is going to tell you exactly what to do, exactly how to do things. It's very easy. It's very simple. You just scroll through and find whatever you need to do or whatever you're confused about. Just kind of read through this instructions portion and it will help you on your way. If you are interested in obtaining this journal, just head over to CameronBenson.podia.com. The link is in the description down below. Very easy to click on and make your purchase. For an extra 5 to 10 minutes a day invested into your trading, you will have analytical data and your own personal performance for years to come. I hope you all have enjoyed this explanation of this trade journal. Let me know down in the comments below what you think of it and if you have found it useful. Ladies and gentlemen, you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one.